Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Python PHP script which allows you to download Facebook Reels and videos directly. So this is actually a single index.php script which you can actually deploy inside your cPanel. You can deploy to any custom domain, and this is actually the full PHP script here. It's actually using under the hood. It is calling the Facebook API to actually uh, get the download links of the video and reels. It's 573 lines of code. So I've given the link. You can directly purchase this script. So for this, you can simply run this locally as well using exam control panel. I've already started this. So if I show you, this is actually, if I open this, the interface looks something like this. You actually have this Facebook video and Reels downloaded script. So what you actually need to do is simply need to paste the link of the video, whatever video or reel that you are downloading. So simply copy the address and paste it right here. After pasting it, this PHP script will start processing the URL, and now it will give you the URL of the where you can download this. So you can download this either low quality, high quality. So it actually shows you the. So here you can click the link. After that, the download will directly open. You can save this at the location. So now you will see your video is successfully downloaded, and now you can play the video or reel. So you can see it's successfully saved inside your system. So you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no restriction. We are not using any sort of API key. So it's a complete unlimited number of PHP script. You can actually purchase it and simply go to cPanel, and with any ordinary shared hosting, you can purchase a domain name and just build out. Uh, you can even customize the user interface as well, but the functionality remains the same. You basically go to Facebook or you paste the link, the user will come and they will paste the link, and this PHP script works unlimited number of times. So it's actually the logic remains the same. Whatever link that you paste, it shows you two options. Either you can paste the link low quality, high quality, and after that you will see that the video will play. So it successfully downloads and save it inside your machine. So under the hood you will see we are using curl, which is a tool in PHP to actually call APIs. So we are using this curl curl, which is a very popular tool for calling APIs in PHP. So we are calling it to actually. So this is actually a single file. So that's why the hosting is really simple. In order to use the script for business purposes, you simply purchase a domain and simply go to cPanel and simply upload this PHP script. So the deployment is really simple because in PHP, as you all know, PHP runs in all the shared hosting platforms. So there is no problem of hosting. Once you purchase a domain name, you can simply deploy this application. It's an all-in-one PHP, Facebook, video, and reel downloader script. So if you still face any kind of issues in running and deploying this script, you can email me. I will definitely help you. So basically, you can even see how I coded this from scratch. So once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive, and it's 573 lines of code. So it also contains HTML, CSS, and PHP code right here, and all the code is there in a single file. So there is no problem of maintaining multiple files. So you can actually purchase it. The link is given in the description. It can download Facebook videos, reels from URL. As soon as you paste the URL, you can see that there is no limit to it. You can do this unlimited number of times because I've written this PHP script from scratch, which actually does the job for you. And it's using the latest version of PHP, so there is no problem in deployment purposes. So it's using the latest version of PHP. So if you're interested, it's completely responsive. As you see, it also works in mobile phone as well. So if someone is using your application in a mobile phone as well, so interface is quite responsive. It works in all the devices here: tablet, mobile, desktop. So The link is given. You can directly purchase this PHP script.